Hi, this is Shauna. Welcome back. I got my Ipsy and my TopBox for July month. So let's dig on in. I'll do the TopBox first. I got to pick something this month, and I picked the Bobbi Brown foundation stick, full size. Amazing. So this subscription is a monthly one. It's Canadian based, and they do ship to US as well. It's $12 plus tax, so it ends up being $13.56 or something. So excellent. And I got to pick the color too. So I picked Natural 4. There it is there in all its glory. I swatched it in Sephora just to make sure it would be the right shade. Looks good. So I haven't tried it out yet. So I'm definitely going to test that out this week when I go into One and Works, when I go into other Shoppers or Sephora to see how it feels on the skin. I do enjoy a stick foundation. I've used the Clinique one. I still do, the Chubby and the Nude. So most enjoyable. So very pleased with that. That's like probably $48, that foundation or more. Next I got the Ipsy. So I got two masks. They're the same. And there is coffee seed extract. So it sounds really good. So two of those, and they're like a K-beauty brand. Yeah, made in Korea. Excellent. So this is this month's bag. I think it's really nice. It's like the shimmery blue holographic bag, kind of like keeping in theme with the mermaid stuff. So I like that, and I like this size. This is the size I actually use for my purse. So this month just says July 2018, ready to dive into summer. Excellent. And shows a little bit of info and something about cash back, whatever that is. I have to look into that. So first thing I got is, or second thing next to the mask, is Ofra Cosmetics. And this is an eyeshadow. Be honest, I'm not feeling this color. I know there was two. There was one, this one, and more of a natural one, which I would have used. But, ooh, good size pan. All in all, still a great product to receive. And I'm not sure what the color is because it is not listed there. No, not listed at all. But I can tell it does have like a green undertone to it, so it shouldn't be bad. I'll definitely pop it in my Z palette. I can see using it to smoke things out. Ooh, a brush, and this is the IBY Beauty, and this is a shadow brush, really good. I love that size for doing my upper lids, and it's also good to pack any eyeshadow on. And I got two more things. Next is from Mellow Cosmetics. This is a full-size matte lipstick in Candy Floss. There it is. This actually is going out in the mail today. Girl has already traded with me, so I'll get that out to her. And last but not least, just dropped it then, Wander Beauty Glow Tonic Lotion Illuminating. So really good. I got their mascara there this month in Boxy, so I'm looking forward to try that. And same with this. I seen online it's good like liquid primer to mix with your foundation for Luminous. So very looking forward. All the info for Ipsy and TopBox is listed below. Keep an eye out on my YouTube, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram at Shauna J. Back to school giveaway coming up very soon. I'm in the midst of rounding out the products and back to school goodies because I have to start back to school shopping for Blake soon. All right, everybody have a great day. Bye.